What's going on guys, Jack here, it's C247. I'm here today to bring you another unboxing video, something long awaited, the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Let's take a look inside the box of the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. First off, we just need to break the seal. As you can see, this box here is incredibly thin. Though of a nice design, we can already tell there is not a charging plug included in this device. Of course, we booted first with the phone itself. The model we have here is in Phantom Black. Also inside the box, we can find the likes of a charging cable and some quick start information. Okay, let's take a look at the phone a little more closely. So we've taken the phone out the box after doing our little unboxing segment. First impressions is excellent. What can you expect from a device that costs north of £1,000? I can tell you already that the quality is outstanding. We have this armoured aluminium frame around the outside, which is apparently Samsung's strongest yet. On this display, we have Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus, which is the strongest Corning Gorilla Glass available on everyday smartphones, and it's been drop tested onto hard surfaces from up to 2 meters. Of course, like many phones nowadays, it does have that IP68 rating, which means it can withstand water from up to 1.5 meters for up to 30 minutes at a time. As some of you may know, this Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is replacing the existing Samsung Galaxy Note line, and that means it includes its own S Pen. This is the first Galaxy S device with a built-in S Pen, and it has improved latency over the previous generation. Of course, one of the standout features of this device is its display, and it is enormous, coming in at 6.8 inches. It has a dynamic AMOLED 2x display with Vision Booster. That Vision Booster allows for the brightest display on a Samsung device yet at 1750 nits. It also has 120Hz adaptive refresh rate. Now, when we were testing the S Pen and having a look through some of the settings, we must say, with the screen being so big and it being so detailed, this is the best device we've seen so far. Samsung have fitted this device with USB-C charging, which is of course standard across the majority of the range. Now, it does have fast charging using a 45-watt charger, but you will have noticed from the unboxing segment that's not included inside the box. You must buy your 45-watt charger from Samsung, or they say, but that's going to cost you £45. You could buy an aftermarket charger and we're sure that would work all the same. It does have wireless charging and reverse charging, so you can use this to charge another device. That all comes from a 5000 milliamp battery. Samsung have said that this device has a faster CPU and GPU compared to last year's S21 Ultra, and it's even the fastest chip ever fitted to a Galaxy smartphone. Let's talk about the standout feature of the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Of course, it has 4 lenses. We have a 108 megapixel lens, a 12 megapixel ultra-wide lens, and 2 10 megapixel telephoto lenses. The rear camera and ultra-wide angle lens are fitted with an ultra-low reflection nanocoating, which is in itself a mouthful. But what that means is it drastically helps reduce lens flare even in the dark. Why not use the single take mode to record up to 20 seconds of action and watch as your gallery dissects that into different formats, such as stills, loops, or even hyperlapses. You can use the AI edit function to edit your photos like a pro, and use the object eraser to crop out certain elements so you don't have to crop all your photos individually. The S22 Ultra this year comes with an improved front camera that measures in at 40 megapixels. You can also use that rear camera we mentioned and that 108 megapixel lens to optimize your zoom from 3 all the way up to 100 times. The S22 also includes an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor. It has Wi-Fi 6E, which allows you to reach new 6 GHz bands, and of course 5G capabilities. So let's talk about damage. This comes in at £1,149, and that's for 128 gigabytes of storage. There are other variants available, but they of course are going to cost you more money. The ultimate question is it worth it? We think so. It has some incredible features, the display is the best we've ever seen on a smartphone, and it compares well against the likes of the Apple iPhone 13 Pro Max. If you're willing to spend the money, this is the device we would pick. This is Jack, guys. It's C247 signing off for the last time. Thanks again for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment in the comment box down below to let us know which phone you'd like to see us unbox next. See you next time.